All right, this is for all the fishermen. So if you don't fish, just keep scrolling. I mean, unless you know something about high water, lakes that are flooding, you can stick around a minute. Or if you want to learn some new info. All right, so what do you guys do? You guys like to flip, you know, throw a jig up in all the brush once that water is like super fucking high? I do. Some fun way to catch fish. So let me know how you like to catch your fish when the water is high.